Welcome to Homework Lib.
We want to calculate what is going to be the solubility of oxygen at the top of Mount Everest, where the total pressure is going to be equal to 0.31 atmospheres. And we know that the fraction of oxygen in air is going to be equal to 0.209. We're also given the value for the Henry constant of oxygen, which is going to be 1.3 times 10 to the minus 3 mole per liter atmosphere. So in this case, what we need to do is to apply Henry's law, which tells us that the concentration of a certain gas into our solution is going to be equal to the Henry constant times the partial pressure of the gas, in this case, the partial pressure of oxygen. So the partial pressure of oxygen is going to be equal to the total pressure times the mole fraction of oxygen. So the concentration of O2, meaning the solubility of oxygen, is going to be equal to Henry constant times total pressure times the mole fraction of O2. Replacing the values, this is going to be 1.3 times 10 to the minus 3 mole per liter atmosphere times the total pressure, 0.331 atmospheres, times the fraction of O2, 0.209. The concentration thus is going to be 8.4227 times 10 to the minus 5 mole per liter. Notice that over here, atmosphere and atmosphere are going to cancel out, so we're going to end up with mole per liter. So in this case, since all of the quantities were given up to 3 significant figures, depending on how strict is your professor, you can plug in the full value over here, or you're going to need to round up to 3 significant figures, which would be 8.42 times 10 to the minus 5 mole per liter. So with that, it would be all. Thank you very much, and have a good one.